everybody, Shane here. In this video I thought I'd go over some of the pieces, some of the counters from Old School Tactical. So I got a few out here on the Vassal module. You see right here I have a leader counter. This one's a sergeant. The first number is the command range on the left, 1 with the white circle. So any unit that's within 1 hex of the leader will get benefits for spotting and rally. The unit here is a rifle squad. Oh, the middle number on the sergeant is the defense number, and the large number on the right is his movement. Okay, for the rifle squad here, the first number on the left, the 4, is the unit's firepower. There's a white 6, that's the range, the attack range of the unit. The middle number is defense, and the right number again, the larger number, is its movement. Okay, here's a support weapon counter. This is a MG34 light machine gun. It's a firepower of 2 and the white range number of 8 hexes. It's carried by squads, so those are the only numbers it has. So if it was being carried by a squad, the squad would simply move with it. Some vehicles here with their corresponding data cards. Okay, this Panzer IIIJ, the red corner marker, that is the unit facing. It's placed on a flat hex side, and then those 3 hexes would be considered the unit's front facing. The 3 behind, including the hex lines, are the unit's rear and flank. So attacks coming through the flank would attack the unit's flank armor, and of course attacks coming through the front would attack its front armor. So let's go through some of the numbers here. The first number on the upper left, the 3 on this unit, is the cannon. The main armament's HE attack firepower, so it's 3 on this unit, and the range beside it, 16 hexes, is the main armament's maximum range. Okay, next number, the red 6, moving down on the left. Red 6, that's the main armament AP attack value, so when it's attacking other armored vehicles, that's the maximum value it would use at the closest range, 0 to 5 hexes. The next number is the secondary armament machine guns. First is the firepower, so its firepower, machine gun firepower is 2, and the range of the secondaries is 6 hexes. Go over to the right of the counter, the big number 6 is the unit's movement points. Underneath that it shows what type of movement. This one is a track, and then it gives the front and flank defense values. So if it's attacked through the front, its defense would be a 6. If it's attacked through the flank, its defense would be a 4 in this case. And this here is the data card on the unit. Panzerkampfwagen 3J. The armament is, the main gun is a 50 quick 39 L60. And then it lists the data for the unit: movement 6, front defense 6, flank defense 4, HE firepower of 3, secondary firepower 2 with a range of 6, maximum range 16 hexes. And then it gives a little 2-hit table for various ranges and the firepower at those ranges. Of course, it's going to get the further away the target, the harder it is to hit, and the less firepower that the main armament will strike with. So, see, the first range is 0 to 5 hexes, and it lists to hit number of 6. So the to hit roll is 2d6. So you roll 2 6-sided dice to see if you hit the target first, and then if you get the hit, the firepower at that range would be a 6. And then you go, the next range is 6 to 10 hexes, 11 to 15, and 16 to 20. So basically its max range is 16, so 16 hexes away. The to hit number would be a 7, and the firepower at that range would be a 4. Now we moved on to a wheeled vehicle. The same setup as the other vehicle. It's got an HE firepower of 3. The range on the main gun is 10. AP firepower is 2. This vehicle has no secondary armament, so it's blank there. The movement on it is 8 hexes, 8 movement points, and below it, it's not tracked, it's a wheeled vehicle, so it has the wheeled symbol. The front defense is 2, and the flank defense is 1. And then here's the corresponding card as well. Any additional characteristics of the vehicles and units will be listed on the cards as well. See the tank, it just says tracked, listed, tracked movement. This lists it as it's a wheeled unit. It has an open top, and it can carry no passengers, so it can't transport other units. Okay, this counter here is a crude counter. This happens to be an AT gun. It has the gray and red triangle, so it can only fire within its covered arc, which is those 3, the front arc facing. So anywhere going out on those 3 hexes is where it can fire. The unit can always spin, but then it'll have to use a movement to change its covered arc, and then it will be considered moving fire. See, if you rotate it, it changes its covered arc to fire at different targets. Okay, the first number, again, is the HE attack value. In this case, it's 1. Maximum range is 10 for the gun. The armor piercing, the AP attack, is 3. The defense of the unit is a 3. The little white C just shows that it's a crude weapon, and it has a movement of 1. So basically a foot movement of, they can push the AT gun 1 hex. The little asterisk simply means that the unit can't fire after moving, and that it can only occupy the ground levels of multi-level structures. And it has a card as well that lists the ranges with the 2 hit numbers and the armor piercing firepower at those ranges. So that's some of the pieces that will be getting used in old school tactical. So that's it for this video. Talk to you again.